2.2 Linear equations in one variable. Solving linear equations in one variable. A linear equation is an equation of a straight line written in one variable. The only power of the variable is 1. Linear equations in one variable may take the form ax plus b equals 0 and are solved using basic algebraic operations. We begin by classifying linear equations in one variable as one of three types: identity, conditional, or inconsistent. An identity equation is true for all values of the variable. Here is an example of an identity equation. 3x, which is equal to 2x plus x. If you add the right side of the equation to combine like terms, you end up getting 3x. And since the left side of the equation, 3x, is equal to the right side of the equation, this is when you have an identity equation. What that means is whatever you plug in for x, it's always going to be equal to each other. If I pick 1 for x, well, 3 times 1 is going to equal 3 times 1. If I pick negative 5 for x, 3 times negative 5 is negative 15, and that's going to equal 3 times negative 5, which is negative 15. Now the solution set consists of all values that make the equation true. So for this equation, the solution set is all real numbers because any real number substituted for x will make the equation true. Now whenever you find solutions, use braces for a solution set. Now a conditional equation is true for only some values of the variable. So for example, if we are to solve the equation 5x plus 2 equals 3x minus 6, we have the following. So if we combine like terms, we subtract 3x to both sides. 5x minus 3x is 2x. If we subtract 2 to the right side, minus 6 minus 2 gives you negative 8. Divide both sides by positive 2, and then x is equal to negative 4. Well, the solution set consists of one number, which is negative 4. It is the only solution, and therefore we have solved a conditional equation. An inconsistent equation results in a false statement. So for example, if we are to solve 5x minus 15 equals 5x minus 4, we have the following. So 5x minus 15, if we distribute the 5 to both terms, we get 5x minus 20. Now, if we want to go ahead and combine like terms, if we subtract 5x to both sides, we end up with negative 15 on one side of the equation and negative 20 on the other side. Now, negative 15 does not equal negative 20. That is a false statement. And because it is a false statement, that would state that there is no solution because this is an inconsistent equation. So the solution set would be the empty set, meaning that there's nothing inside the braces, or we also have like a circle with a line through it. Now, solving linear equations in one variable involves the fundamental properties of equality and basic algebraic operations. So a brief review of those operations will follow.